Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena, and today I'm showing y'all how to make zucchini bread. And stay tuned till the end, there are some funny bloopers. It took a few tries for the outro. In a large mixing bowl, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of ginger, and whisk together to combine. Now in a medium mixing bowl, I have 1 cup of sugar. Then I'm going to add in 1 cup of vegetable oil and mix until creamy. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then you're going to add in 3 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of brown sugar, and mix to combine. Then you're going to pour the wet ingredients over the dry ingredients and stir to combine. Now the batter may seem a little thick, but that's okay. Once you add the zucchini, the moisture from the zucchini will fix that. Then you're going to fold in 2 cups of grated zucchini. Now at this time, you can also add walnuts or pecans as well, but our daughter eats this zucchini bread, so I don't add them in. You're going to divide the batter evenly between 2 prepared loaf pans. You're going to bake in a preheated 325-degree oven for 45 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Is that good? Yum, yum, huh? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the zucchini bread, and you guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below, and I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Good girl. If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye! Say bye, baby. Good girl. Love. Here, do you need another piece of bread right there? Here you go. There. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Here, look at Grandma C's laugh. Well, well, if you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right there. Oh, I messed up again. I keep saying right there. Just looking at your face. Oh my God. This is what Mom was doing last time. We ended up having bloopers. Okay. Is it recording? Okay. If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and right there. And if you guys, oh, what did I used to say? I'll have one right here and right below. I'll have one right here and one right below. And please, and download. Not download. Okay, don't listen to Dad. Okay.